YouTube. Oh my gosh, bro. What's good, boys? What's up? So I'm gonna start making these videos every morning that is a trading day, even if I'm not trading or if I am trading. So you guys can get used to that. But we're gonna probably start these every single day at 8:45 because that's when my analysis starts. I don't place trades until 9:30 a.m. So I wake up around 7, hit my daily routine, and then we're out here. So we're gonna make these videos earlier in the morning. Probably post the entire trading day that I'm looking at the charts. It will be about a few hours long of a video. And the reason I haven't been posting on my phone recently is because I've been running out of space. So this is a great alternative from buying a $700 camera. And I'm not gonna set a camera up until I get my whole setup fixed the way I want to. As you guys can see currently, we are in the new flat, gang. So I'm gonna go ahead and mute Mike. I have something I have to go do real quick, but I will be right back. Give me just a second. What's up, gorgeous? I'm back. Yeah, I know you missed me. But, anyways, we're going to go ahead and get straight into this day trading stuff. What I'm going to actually do for you boys here is if you don't follow me on Instagram, which you should be, we're trying to get to 50,000 followers before I start my OnlyFans. But if you are not following me on Instagram, you wouldn't know what all this stuff means on the chart. So, I'm going to go ahead and see if I can delete all of this. Let's see. All these imbalances and gaps. And just start fresh so you guys can see how I go about my process of marking all this stuff out. Matter of fact, let's delete all the lines too. This will give me something to do for the next little bit. Oh shit. Oh. Okay. Now, first of all, hold up. Dang, I haven't seen a naked chart in a long time, bro. Tough shit, man. I'm gonna put the dewy on. Hold up. So how's your guys Wednesday going? Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. Love to hear it. Just go ahead and just tie this up loosely. It don't even matter. You guys are here with me for the next few hours, bro. We're 7 minutes in this, John. Sheesh. Hope you guys missed me. It's been a few months, something like that. Anyways, so how I make my analysis on the chart. So as you guys can see, I am a 15-minute warrior. Let me lean this like this because I talk with my left hand a lot more. Can you see my left? Nah, let's keep. Anyways, as you guys can see, I'm a 15-minute warrior. Every time I'm making analysis, live predictions, and trades, it's on the 15-minute time frame. Obviously, higher time frame holds higher power, Spider-Man or whatnot. But we're gonna go ahead and go right here. Let's start from what day is this? I can't see because my cam is in the way. All right. This will be the second 22. All right. So, boom. Fair value gap, or not fair value gap. What I like to call MOG, MOG, market open gap. Now you're probably thinking, what is a market open gap? I've never heard of that in my life, man. None of my mentors have ever told me that. Why haven't I heard about it? So a market open gap is something that I believe I created. I doubt I did, but I've never heard anybody else talk about it. So MOG is when the market opens. As you guys can see, this was the day before on Wednesday. And on Thursday, we had this big leap right here. Now, that is a lot of liquidity that was not hit. That's a bunch of price. Act like this is all bullish candles. I need water, bro. Holy crap. I don't know about y'all. I haven't drank anything all morning. I'm getting parched, buddy. My throat is raspy. All right. So as you guys can see right here, act like this is all bullish candles. I'm basically giving lessons right now. So tap in. We're zapping. But this is all bullish candles. What would you do if there was all bullish candles on your screen? That's a fair value gap, right? Liquidity wasn't hit, right? That's a bunch of formed liquidity, right? So since these candles were never formed right here, this right here in the market open is where we expect price to tap back into eventually. Not saying it'll be same day. Usually it is, but it's not always going to be same day. Let's go back like right here. As you guys can see, you've got a market open gap right here. And as you can see, it was tapped into perfectly right there. You see what I'm talking about? So we start open market. This is like 4 or 5 pips, whatever you want to call it. We we're chopping, boom. Tapped right into the bottom here, rejected. Boom. Now let's look at another one. No, that's not a good one. Okay, we could use this one. This is the opposite direction one. So boom, right here. Pull that over. What happened again? We tapped into it. Boom, 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 consolidation. The market open gap. I love this thing. I was back testing it for a few days and I was like, this right here, because I was trying to find the secret formula to trading, couldn't find it, and stumbled across this. So, eight, eight, man. Don't hate the player, hate the game. So we come right here, market opens, boom. This is bearish. We got some bearish candles right here. They're invisible candles, but they're there. I'm telling you. So we got it marked down here. Cut. We hit right above it. Second you hit right above that, you're looking for entries, usually on the side of where the market opened. So if the market opened like how in this instance it was bearish, but the last one was bullish, I'm going to want to buy and short. I'm going to want to short. I'm tweaking. So once we get around like right here and we break this top line, shorting. Now you would have got consolidated out of the blue, but you would have made some money. I mean, you know, I wouldn't have personally taken that trade, but and also there's another strategy that I use that I also will not talk about right now, but I'll talk about that in a few minutes. So as you can see, MOG is a very useful tool. If you're brand new to the market, that's also cool. Now here's a good example of when MOG doesn't work. We hit here, boom, open, consolidation, manipulation, distribution, bam, right in your freaking forehead, on your head top. We didn't even close all the way through. Now, what I love about this is we know price has to hit back in here. This is liquidity that wasn't hit. So what I'll do is I'll mark it, boom, to where it was hit. Anytime that week where it was hit. Now, like I said, it won't always be hitting that day, not even that week. This is all a day right here. This is another day. This is another day. Bada boom. Wait, what? What happened here? We hit we hit into the move. So bomb right here. And bada boom. We didn't hit for all these days. Liquidity is still being sought. You can see lower lows, lower lows, lower lows, da 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 da. Boom, we hit here. Break a structure. Right here. Oh, let me go ahead and mark this out for those people that don't know. So we got a high right here. Let's see. A prominent high right here. I'm tweaking. And then we got another high right here. And then we got a high right here. Boom. Broke structure. Consolidation. Then another high right here. High right here. High right here. What's this? Lower highs, lower lows. We got a low right here, low right here, low right here, low right here. High right here, high right here. Right? Like you see the trend. We're slowly decreasing. And then all of a sudden, hold on, let me get this off my screen. And then all of a sudden we hit, boom, break a structure to the one of the lows. One of the highs. Boom, break structure to another high. Trend shift. Now we've got higher lows, lower highs, higher lows, lower, like, you feel me? Now this is where we made this MOG right here. We got into this MOG, so we had moved this up. Looking right in here. Boom, 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 boom. We hit this MOG, we break out. We're still on this uptrend. And like I said, this MOG right here did not comply with the trend. As you guys can see, it started off super bearish. So we had to close that imbalance. We had to keep the trend going. So we closed out here on the same day. Then after that, later that next day, chopped up, closed through this liquidity. Market seeks liquidity or creates it always. Whoa. Market is never just doing market is never just doing a bunch of crap. There is sometimes that is just consolidating, but that's just manipulation. I think it goes manipulation or consolidation, manipulation, distribution, something like that. I don't know. I don't remember. But as you guys can see, we got consolidation, manipulation, distribution. What the heck is this? Consolidation, manipulation, distribution. Market always moves in those three ways. I'm sure there's another way, but hey, let's go. First of all, how do I delete these, bro? I'm still new to TradingView, dog. I'm sure there's a way to quick select everything on your screen, but scratch it. Let's go all the way back here. By the way, I do not have the I think it's the bot or the purchase mode or whatever. So I don't have like back testing abilities and none of that. So you guys are gonna have to bear with me when I'm sliding through these. Boom, right here we have another bullish market move. Boom, open. This is a super small one. Consolidate or consolidate, 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 manipulation. Where did we go? Straight into the red box. It's almost like this. It's almost like this is clockwork, buddy. Straight into the box. Boom. Manipulation. Distribution. I don't know what to tell you. All right. Now, 15-minute is like that sweet spot time frame. So whenever I'm seeing people trade and they're using time frames like the 1 minute and the 5 minute, and I'm like, you take trades off the 1 minute, unless you're a scalper, which most of those people are, and some of those people just don't know that higher time frame holds higher power. Hold up. You genuinely disgust me, buddy. And then they're so confused when they lose $50 gajillion. They're like, "Oh my god, my McDonald's paycheck is gone." Get a load of this guy. What did you expect to happen, bro? All right, holy crap! Somebody got down right here, bro. Anyways, we can make this a market open gap, a MOG, bro. Price mogged right here. Boom. Price will always seek liquidity. This is actually a perfect example right here. Because as you guys can see, boom, that's one. Boom, that's two. What did price do? Out of nowhere. We're on an uptrend right here. If I zoom out like this, you can see it better. But we're on an uptrend right here. Boom. Lower high, I mean higher lows, higher highs. Boom, 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 boom. Let's go to the breaking structure right here. So we got a low right here and a high right here. We were expecting to break above this high. What did we do? We crapped out. The second it broke right here, and I believe this is on the same day, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. Yes, this is all on the same day. Or no, it's not. This is. Okay. So you can see there's another small mog right here, but that got closed out. Once I saw that I got touched, and I saw this, and I saw this, and it broke this, that's an injury. That is an injury. You better be on that, on your P's and Q's, snapping your fingers, bro. The second I see this break of structure right here, and I know there's two imbalances right here. Now, I obviously wouldn't have expected it to do this, but this was probably like Powell. Powell had to be speaking. Matter of fact, Powell was speaking this morning. Let me look at the news real quick. Because I believe it's around 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Hold up. Let's see when he's speaking. Yes, Powell was speaking at 8:15. I mean, no, 10 a.m. The time is 9:04. So let's see if you can see that. So right now, it's over. We're gonna see how price manipulates whenever he starts speaking. There was news at 8:15. Oh, I got 26 seconds left. Yeah, 8. I'm gonna get you guys back in a few seconds. Hold up. So what I'm gonna have to start doing is like chopping up my movies. Well, not my movies, but I mean these are basically movies of me yapping, but it's a bunch of information that you guys need to know. So we're gonna get these movies, put them in iMovie, and probably chop it up. Because if you guys know, I like the raw content. Yeah, feel me. So, anyways, once I saw that we hit market structure, oh whoa! Once I saw we broke market structure to the downside like this, I'd entered maybe right around here. Set stop loss to right up here. So let's get out the. I think this is called a Fibonacci or whatever. I don't know. So I did it wrong. Okay, cool. I'm still trying to get used to this thing because I don't use them. Me personally. Boom, I'd have said it like this. Now, not that crazy. I'd have probably said it more like, yeah, just so we can match with this low right here. Yeah, just about. So as you guys can see, out of let market break. Once market broke, boom, 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 boom. We hit both of these. That would have been a great day. I'm pretty sure I traded on this day. I'm not sure. That would have been a great day to take some profit, man. And as you guys can see, we got all this liquidity right here. So what do y'all expect to happen? We got another MOG too. So boom, MOG comes right here. We get hit right here. Now we drag that over. But hold up. As you guys can see, liquidity right here. Boom, hit by all of this. It's literally clockwork, guys. Now, this red box, liquidity will always be hit. We're on highs right here. A few other MOGs right here. Boom, hit again. Boom, hit again. Boom, hit again. Boom, hit again. It never fails. It's just like clockwork, guys. I keep pressing that button, dude. It's just like clockwork, guys. Come on. Oh my goodness. I'm about to break this keyboard. So let's go back to the daily. Or not the daily, but the daily dose of internet. Okay. Now this was the method that I was going to teach you guys earlier. First of all, let's mark out this MOG right here. People on Instagram are going to be like, why is this chart so naked? Because I was making a YouTube video, and they probably won't even watch that crap. Yeah. Okay, buddy. But as you guys can see here, we have a MOG. Now, will this MOG be hit anytime this week? I doubt it. Because we've got Powell speaking tough all week, bro. He's speaking tough. And I doubt if we would move to the upside at all. Anyways, you can see here, the method that I was going to teach you guys is called a 15-minute breakout. All right, so let me show you guys this real quick. We're going to go ahead and mark this out. Mark this out. The reason I trade at 8:45 instead of 8:30. First of all, trading at 8:30 without market developing in price is absolutely slow. Don't do that to yourself. You're going to lose money. But as you guys can see here, I marked out the top and the bottom of this candle right here. The top wick, bottom wick. Boom, 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 boom. Breakout to the bottom. Now, what does this breakout mean? I'm going to go ahead and show you guys some examples real quick because I know you all want to see it. Matter of fact, we got one right here, buddy. Now, a lot of you guys ask me, how do I trade? I'm showing you guys right now. I'm giving you all the sauce in one video, bro. One straight video. I'm not doing all this. Subscribe and watch 50 of my video. No, bro. Just watch this video. I'm telling you, bro. I'm going to start doing this a lot more often, but it'll probably be shorter videos. I'm just showing you guys a lot of how I think before I start making those videos. So when I'm skimming through it real quick, you're not like, why is he not talking? Why is he not telling us how we do it? You'll know, buddy. Anyways, 15-minute breakout. So we're on a 15-minute time frame. You can see mark top wick, bottom wick. Boom. Body close. Listen to me, bro. Wait for the body of the candle to close below or above the breakout line. Make sure you accurately, like, look how accurately I listed. Okay, buddy. Get it as on the line as you can, as accurate as you can, because if you accidentally skim the top, I never let it skim. If it's like, if I don't know if it's above or below the line, I don't take the trade until a body closes above or below the line. And I'm talking about a good body close, like this one. Like a full good amount of the body, bro. You wouldn't eat a half-eaten sandwich, would you? Exactly. Anyways, we got we've got the full body close right here on the bottom side. So we know it's going to be bearish. When you see this right here, where's my marker? Where's my marker? Where's my marker? Where is my marker? Here it is. So when you see this right here, right? When you see that body close and you see it broke out, market will be in the direction of the body close. I'm going to repeat that for the people in the back of the class that's not hearing it. Market will close or market will move in the direction of the 15-minute breakout. Usually, obviously, this is day trading. Nothing is 100% ever. Because if it was, these multi-million-dollar companies would have been freaking destroying the market. They wouldn't have never gave us the chance, buddy. It's never 100%, but this is about an 85% accurate freaking, I don't know. I just learned about this recently, like maybe last month. And as you guys know, I haven't traded in 14 days because I've been moving into the flat gang. So that's why I'm more comfortable making videos now because it's just me in my room. Obviously, I ain't got no furniture for real, but we make do. Matter of fact, let me just, as you guys can see, we got the bed right there and the trash can, and then the mini fridge and my closet. Matter of fact, I'll take y'all into the closet real quick. And then we gonna view the closet real quick. Some slight, some light. You feel me? We're gonna, we'll do a tour of this later. We'll talk about this later, like later in the year or something. Whenever I got all my stuff packed up in there. Right. But back to this absolutely astonishing view. So once the market closes below right here, you know the market's gonna be bearish the rest of the day. As you guys can see, bing. Now I listed this trade out yesterday. So I made one of my live predictions on it yesterday, and we smacked take profit. As well as on this day, we smacked take profit. This right here is crazy though. That's crazy. Somebody got D down once again. Let's go ahead and delete it. Okay, buddy. Okay. So, anyways, let's go. Where's another one? Is this different days? I believe it is. Yes. But that's a different week. I can't use that. Let's use this one. All right. By the way, I'm not even like, I didn't even look at this stuff. This is just random examples right here. So we'll put, if there's no wick on either side, I usually just put it like that to where I can't see the wick. I mean, not the wick, but the butt of the candle. So you can see here, now, this is a tricky one. We broke to the bottom side a decent amount. Bada, 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 bing. But you can see price rejected hard. So you would have lost crazy bread. Now, what I have concluded off of doing this is I'll look at this right here and I'll see the move. If it's a long candle like this, or it doesn't look like a good setup, and it's not a break structure, none of that. Or actually, what I'll do is I'll see this and I'll be like, whoa, why is it so strong to the upside? Why does it look like that? Why was it such a quick to the downside and now we're consolidating? So now I'm looking at this and I'm saying no. Because now we know, boom, 15-minute break structure right here. 15-minute break structure right here. Now, a lot of you guys would have got tricked into this. I probably would have gotten tricked into this. Boom, boom. Da, 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 da. So we broke 15-minute. We broke structure right here. But what you got to do is after you break structure, you see this. This right here would have been a red flag for me, first of all. But like I said, I would have probably got tripped up on this regardless. You see this. Boom, 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 boom. Stopped out instantly because you're expecting prices to drop in here, right? You're expecting prices to get into this, right? Don't lie, you are. But here's the problem. A lot of you guys would have not peeped this right here. Y'all wouldn't have peeped it. And as we know, these MOGs, price is just looking to seek liquidity into that. So I would have probably listed this out and I probably wouldn't have fell for it, but I probably would have overlooked it. And that's the problem with trading. You have to be keen focused, bro. You got to be in this. In there like swimwear, bro. Never stopping. Always going. All right. Anyway, all right. Anyway, so you can see the MOG right here. It broke structure on the 15. This this is a prime example of you are the liquidity, buddy. You are the liquidity, like bro. You would have got doo-dooed on, if especially if you're a swing trader. You would have got doo-dooed on right here. It would have been over for your whole career. So break a structure right here, MOG. Now we know about MOGs is we are looking to close into the MOG. Now, what I would have taken the trade on is if this candle right here, the second candle, was still black and I could see the, you feel me? And I could still see the movement down. But I would have waited for, before you make a trade, don't get FOMO. Don't get FOMO. Do not get scared and think, well, I have to get it at the very top. You're not a scalper, bro. You're not. And if you're trying to scalp and you're brand new to the market, don't do it, bro. You're just going to get yourself screwed. So we're looking right here, and you can obviously see the second candle rejected up into the MOG. Now, once you break out of the MOG, if candles don't keep going down, you're going to get screwed. So a lot of you guys were probably antsy, didn't want to lose. You saw that the candle was closing right here. You were like, oh my God, it's got so much potential. It broke structure, blah, 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 blah. And you got doo-dooed on. Simple. So you can see price rejected. That's a great example right there. Let's see if we can find another one of these MOG rejection candle. You are the liquidity setups. Let's see. I'm looking for like a big move candle right here. Yeah, this is it right here. But the price still went in that direction. Okay, cool. Let's see. See, it doesn't happen often. That's the problem. No, that's not one. Okay, this kinda is. No, but that's not a MOG. As you guys can see, it doesn't happen often. That's like a once every blue moon kind of thing. I'm gonna just delete the entire screen, bro. Dang, I can't even find an example. 15-minute breakout to, okay, this one works. This one works right here. Obviously, there is no MOG setup. Yeah, there is no setting up the MOG right here. But you can see in this 15-minute, boom, bada bing. This is a perfect example of when I say make sure your markings are proper, because you'll get these candles right here. So you can see I kind of just willy-nilly threw it down. I will not enter a trade off of this. If I see it's like on the brink, like on the edge, edging the candle, I'm not taking that trade. And this is a perfect example of why you won't want to do that. Most people shorting right here. You're antsy. You're got FOMO in your pocket. You're over here tweaking out. You're like, oh, I gotta enter a trade. I gotta enter a trade. Ah, frothing at the mouth like a rabid dog. You're looking here. Boom. You're thinking it's gonna hit into this market open gap. You're cooked. it's over for you. You're cooked. You're fried plantain. Boom. Down right here. Doesn't tap into that break. Doesn't pass that break. The body doesn't pass that break. You got pump faked, buddy. You got pump faked. The market hit you with a, and your whole body went flying across the screen. You got pump faked. So right here, boom, we ended up closing to the upside. So you would have been literally screwed. Remember, liquidity right here. Liquidity. Boom, close on the upside. Market's going up. Now we're looking for a break of structure here. We don't see a break of structure. No entry. No entry. We've got boom. Boom. Now, once I saw this up consolidation, no trade. No trade. Now I'm looking at the rest of this. It's good that you holy consolidation. I remember this week. I remember watching people trade on this week. I think DJR made a video about this. But you went here, people are thinking, it broke structure. It broke structure. It took too long. When market's moving like this in the early stages and there's no move from what time is this? 9:15. I'm saying from 9:30 all the way to 11 and price has not moved. No. Don't why are you taking these trades? Don't be stupid. Don't be a dunderhead, buddy. Don't be one of them. Boom, we can see this liquidity right here. What happened? Market will do whatever it takes. Market will do whatever it takes to hit this. And then you can see this kind of continues here because this market open gap right here, boom, hits it again. Now it didn't fully close, boom, hits it right there. Market will do whatever it takes. A lot of people would have got pump faked by this too. They would have been like, oh, okay, there's still some space right here. That's cool. You know what I would have done? Boom. What happened? Boom. It's a sad world we live in. For 3 days. So higher, 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 higher. Boom. Somebody got D'd down right here. Swing traders, RIP to you, gang. Boom, price dipped here. Broke structure. Boom, back up. Leg down. Boom, 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 boom. Boom. Another leg up. Boom. Price moving weird. I'm not gonna lie to you, Gango. Price is moving weird. Let's look for another example. I know this is more of like a lecture video today, but like I said, we're not trading we're not trading at all this week. I posted on my Instagram. I'm telling you guys, so much valuable information is on my Instagram. Go ahead and tap in, bro. Every single morning, or not every single morning, every night, I'm posting live analysis. We're doing live analysis. This is what this is, live analysis. So everybody from my Instagram is gonna have to tap in on my YouTube. Boom, right here, Mog. It touched it, so I'm not even gonna mark it. It touched it like right here. As you guys can see, boom. I'm not gonna even mark at the bottom. Boom, 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 boom. Break. Boom, 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 boom. Dude, it's literally clockwork. See, the only problem is, and a lot of you guys are gonna be thinking, well, if you're so good at trading and looking at the charts and stuff, then why aren't you profitable? You thought that was funny, huh? You thought you ate. That wasn't funny. It wasn't funny. Why am I not profitable? It's psychology, bro. It's psychology, bro. If you guys know, I've started my first funded account recently. Let me go ahead and show you guys my MetaTrader. Let's look. Let's look. First funded account. Boom. What does that say? Negative 7K. Invalid account. What the hell? Okay. Chat messages. Okay. I'm gonna look it up later. Anyways, this next video I'm gonna make for the next 17 minutes is going to be me doing analysis on the chart. So we're actually gonna be marking out everything this time, and I'm gonna show you guys how I go about my process because I've been wasting a lot of time kind of explaining how I do my strategies. But I'll catch you guys in the next few seconds. I just recorded. Oh, I'm about to crash out. I just recorded about a 20-minute video just for my mother to freaking call me and end the video, and I did not get to download it. All right, so what we're about to do is speed run this. Now I gotta re-explain all of this. I'm not gonna delete it. But I will go ahead and explain it all to you guys. So basically, what this part of the video will be about is how I mark the charts and how I determine what is marked on the charts. Now, this is all personal preference, guys. So don't come to me and be like, yo, Evs, your stuff doesn't work, bro. Evs, come on, bro. And I never want to hear you guys on Instagram saying, yo, Evs, give me the secret sauce, bro. How do I trade, bro? How do I get it? How do you do what you do, bro? How do you trade, bro? Bro, teach me the sauce, bro, please, bro. You got a course, gang? I don't have a course. I'm not about to scam you guys. I'm not about to scam you guys. If you guys know me, the reason I make these videos is because I'm trying to play like a big brother role in people's lives. You know, I'm trying to teach you guys things. So I'm gonna make it as free as possible. You don't have to pay for Big Brother's advice, bro. You feel me? That's why I tell you guys, ask questions if you got them. Don't be scared, bro. Please don't. You guys asking me questions are the highlights of my day. I love scrolling through my Instagram, having to answer 50 questions. I love it. So just hit me up, gang. Please. Just hit me up. Anyways, let's speed run this real quick. So, bada bing boom pow. So, how I explained it earlier was I'm gonna just show you guys. So, you can see there's a fair value gap right here. Boom. Color that yellow. That's the 5 minute. These right here, we're marking out the highs and the lows. So, we got a high right here now. Boom, and a low right here. Okay, I'm sure you guys know how that works. If you don't, I'll make a video about it if you guys want me to. Once again, just comment what y'all need. I'm gonna make a video off of it because I'm sure if you ask a question, somebody else has got the same exact question. So we go to the 15 minute right here. I color my 15 minutes gray. So you can see the 15 right here. It's kind of right in between a bunch of stuff, but you know, I might lower that like right here. All right, cool. I won't even touch it. High right here, low right here. Boom, marked out. Now you see right here, the 5 minute value gap is right here. If this candle right here was, let's mark it out for you guys real quick. If this candle right here was white, let's make it white. Let's say this was a third white candle. What I would do is I'd get this right here, expand it to the bottom of that candle and the top of this candle. Stretch it. Would change the color to gray. Higher time frames hold higher power. So in this case, the yellow time frame or the 5 minute time frame is weaker than the 15-minute time frame. So I will consolidate or convert the yellow into gray to show that that time frame holds that exact same fair value gap, which means price is more likely to fall into that. So think of it kind of like percentages. In the 5 minute, price is likely to fall in that area, but it's like 25%. 15 minute, price is a little higher, you know, it's like a 50% chance. Hourly, 75% chance you're working with because it's a higher time frame. Daily / weekly, price will most likely get back into that area. I mean, obviously those percentages aren't accurate, and I was just kind of like winging it, but that's pretty, you know, that's how I kind of think of it, or that's like an example for you guys to think of. So the higher the time, okay. So the higher the time, the better. That's why I trade on 15 minutes exclusively. All right, so we're going to the hourly now. Hourly will be colored white. So as you guys can see here, boom. Let's go to the 15 minute real quick so I can show you guys this. So you guys can see we're chopped. We got one random black guy in the middle of the crowd and this one half converted light skin. So boom, 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 boom. This right here is definitely a huge value gap. All of this freaking liquidity right here. Word of the day is liquidity. So all this liquidity right here, we scroll over. Boom. You can see prices starting to, you feel me? This is on the 15 minute. So I would have marked this out on the 15 minute multiple times. I'd have marked it here and most likely here. So that's 2 marks that I would have made. Boom, go to the 1 hour. You can see it's all 1. So I would have marked it from the top of this one, bottom of this one, dragged it over. You can see price once again is dipping in here, dipping out. What I believe is, or that price is doing right now, is it's making a leg down. So it's rather this is going to be lower lows, which I believe it will be a lower lows. Or it will make a new high, which we've been making new highs for the past few weeks. I'm sick of it, man. Let's start getting some shorts up in this mode. So, anyways, you can see price. Now, the thing about fair value gaps, a lot of people use it as a term of like, this is my entry. I don't like to do that, but I kind of do. So it's weird. Let's get the marker out real quick because I can show you guys this. All right, so if price is going do. Now let's mark out. And let's make this a fair value gap right here. White one. If price is doing this, retraces. What I'm expecting from it, depending on where the rest of the liquidity is, and in this case, we've got liquidity at top and bottom, and even more on the bottom. And we have negative news. I expect price to go boom, boom. You peeping. I know I'm leaning mad close into your guys' face right now, but like I'm trying to lock in. So you can see boom, 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 boom. Leg down, leg up. That's what I expect price to do. Obviously, that's not always the case, and it's very likely that sometimes it's just going to bounce off of it. Whereas in some people's case, I believe they say respect it or whatever. I don't know. Hey man, I just work here, bro. So, anyways, I'm expecting the price to go dip down into this. I'm expecting that this mog will get taken out. Might not. But there's a lot of imbalance right here. And a lot of imbalance here. And Daddy Powell, I was actually talking about this earlier. Powell, the daddy of all daddies. What he says goes. If Powell says it's a good day, expect price to go doom. Out of nowhere, high. Do. Powell's like, I didn't get my cheeseburger from McDonald's today. I hate this. Boom. And my kid fell and scraped his knee. Boom. But I mean, the subsidy check is coming in the mail, and my tax return's coming back, and I'm getting $5,000. Boom. But I don't know. It was an okay day. Boom. That's how Powell's speeches go. To make it a little bit like entertaining, but that's how it goes. So I always recommend don't trade on Powell. Don't. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you this real quick again. There's certain days I don't trade. And that is okay, I don't think I have it on my phone. That is PMI. I want to say TTI. What just happened? What just happened to my screen? I think it's TMI, PMI, Powell. I can't remember. Dude, do I have amnesia? Okay, CPI, PPI. What else? I think that's about it. Oh, FOMC. Really just any high impact news. I don't even know what I'm trying to. Bro, if you see a red folder, multiple red folders, more than one, that's a no go. That's a no go, buddy. Don't even try. So we're going to go back to here. On dailies, I'll never really list anything, but dailies I do look at quite often. So you can see right now, price is turning white. Okay. Price earlier was like right around here. But daily bias is the word of the day, number 2. Daily bias is very important. If you see this as white, I'm saying go long. Usually. If I see this turn black, I'm saying short. Simple. Now you can see it's white right now. By the time I get into a trade, it's about 9:30. It was great. It was grayed out earlier, so I'd have probably got pump faked. But Powell news is currently on the way, and as you guys can see right now, Powell price was going down, then Powell hit. And as I was telling the last video, I was waiting for a break of structure on either of these sides to list my Fibonacci and see where I was going to go in. Now, when I say Fibonacci, I mean like this. I don't use a literal Fibonacci. So this would have been something like what my take profit would have been like. So it would have been something like that. I know I'm making a lot of random noises, but bro, my face is low key. Oh, I'm looking in the camera. My face is lopsided, bro. Oh, that's tweaking me out. Anyways, I want to see what Powell News does at 10 a.m. As we can see, it's already rejecting price. So this was correct. The leg up. That's what I was saying it looked like. So we got lower lows, lower highs, rejection, leg up, boom. So I'd be looking at this today. And I'm going to go ahead and take a screenshot, pose for the camera. All right. All right. Okay. And we're going to hit back on this tomorrow. What's tomorrow? Thursday? Yeah, something like that. We're going to hit back in this on tomorrow. There's nothing more for me to talk about. And at this point, I'm just rambling because I forgot what I was talking about in the last video. But I'm going to go ahead and cut this up and post it on Snapchat and Instagram and TikTok and YouTube. And we're going to see where this goes. All right, boys. I love y'all. And as always, stay sassy.